Imagine a place where tomorrow's business solutions aren't distant visions, but experiences you can touch today. A place where your toughest challenges meet our deep expertise, unlocking new potential you never thought possible. A fully operational manufacturing environment where breakthrough technologies reshape operations and turn raw data into powerful, actionable insights. Step into a 360-degree view of the entire product lifecycle, powered by a live, end-to-end production line. Explore with a diverse portfolio of advanced use cases spanning AI, automation, and beyond. See how data becomes operational intelligence, elevating decision-making and transforming processes. Discover how smart manufacturing accelerates performance, drives efficiency, and minimizes waste. We partner with our global priority alliances, leading technology and innovation forces, fueling trusted relationships and exponential progress. The factories of the future aren't imagined. They're engineered here, today. Experience it firsthand. Visit the Smart Factory by Deloitte in Dusseldorf.